fresh faces. In today's beauty segment is all about preparation of an effective mask. So before getting into my video, those who are new to my channel, please click the bell icon to get subscribed to my latest uploads. Today's face mask is one of the beauty secrets of Korean celebrities too. So the necessary ingredients are the products which are easily available in your own kitchen. This contains vitamin A, C and E, potassium and sulfur. The vitamin C present in cabbage stimulates collagen production, which is very much essential for your skin. This facial is also best for people who have the skin with acne prone. This facial mask helps to make you get a younger skin. You can definitely try. Now slice the cabbage according to your requirements. Now we have to boil this cabbage by pouring some water. A little amount of water is necessary. Now we have to boil the leaves of this cabbage by pouring little amount of water. Now I'll show you after boiling. After boiling, the leaves become thin and soft like this. The next ingredient I'm adding is curd. So we have to add this curd according to the requirements. Curd contains lactic acid, which helps to give you a smoother and shinier skin. So now add these two ingredients in a blender and make it a fine paste. So after blending, I'll show you the consistency. See, after blending, you can see the mixture. See it. So now your skin tightening facial mask is ready. You can refrigerate this for maximum 3 days, 3 to 4 days. Okay, so I'm going to refrigerate it because there's excess. So you can apply this facial mask twice or thrice in a week to see better results. So after applying it, keep it on your face for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it with lukewarm water. So like this, you can keep it and close it inside in an airtight container and close it and refrigerate it. So that's all for today's videos, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in my next video. Until then, stay healthy and stay motivated. Bye.